If you want to use Sketch to Image on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is, for example, we can go to the gallery and we can choose the photo on which we want to draw something. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And you can either tap on this Galaxy AI button, so these stars that we have here at the bottom, or you can use the pen right next to it, and then here we can find exactly the same option. This allows you to open AI tools or Galaxy AI tools, and the list of these tools includes the create option. We want to go over here. Now you can either choose to describe whatever you want to change with that photo, but if you tap on this pen over here, then you can draw something on that photo that should be then converted into an image, I suppose. So let's say I'm just gonna draw a house, like a silly little house over here with 2 windows and a triangle roof. And let's add this window over here as well. And there we go, let's tap on Generate and let's see if Galaxy AI can recognize my masterpiece of a house and if it's going to turn into a house. And in just a couple of seconds we should be able to see results. So let's see what we will have generated over here. There we go, we have some kind of house, and of course you can also just swipe to the next option. Over here we have the option to generate one more example. But if you are happy with this result, you should be able to tap on Done. And now we can just save as a copy. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.